The gaming world is about to flip upside down. 2025 brings laptops so powerful, they look straight out of a sci-fi movie. From mind-bending graphics to AI-driven features, these machines are rewriting the rules of performance. Tell us in the comments, which gaming laptop blew your mind the most? Acer Nitro V. Meet the Acer Nitro V, a gaming laptop that's redefining what budget beast means. The 15-inch model delivers extreme performance with up to an Intel Core Ultra 7 processor and a GeForce RTX 5060 laptop GPU, making it capable of handling demanding AAA titles and creative workloads alike. Need more power? Step into the Nitro V16 AI world. Powered by AMD's Ryzen 7 AI 350 and up to RTX 5070, this Copilot plus PC blurs the line between productivity and full-blown gaming machine. What's shocking? The Nitro V delivers this firepower in a sleek, portable frame, gaming without the bulk. With features like high refresh displays, 180 Hz, robust cooling, and NVIDIA's RTX architecture, it delivers smooth gameplay and creative horsepower in one compact laptop. Yes, compromises exist. Thermal limits and battery trade-offs are real, but for gamers and creators who need maximum performance without the premium price tag, the Acer Nitro V is a bold testament to how far gaming laptops have come. ASUS TUF F16. The ASUS TUF Gaming F16 2025 packs some seriously next-level firepower without the premium flash. It can rock up to an Intel Core i7-14650HX CPU and a GeForce RTX 5070 GPU, enough to crush modern AAA titles at smooth frame rates. The display? A 16-inch panel with a 16:10 aspect ratio, up to 165 Hz refresh rate, anti-glare IPS build, and color-accurate sRGB coverage. Memory starts at 16 GB DDR55600, with support up to 64 GB, and storage options as high as 1 TB PCIe Gen 4 NVMe SSD, expandable via free M2 slots. Ports are generous. USB-C with DisplayPort/PD, HDMI 2.1, multiple USB-A, LAN, and more. Battery size is solid, approximately 90 watt-hours, for a gaming laptop this powerful, though expected to drain fast under load. What's truly shocking? For a machine with this GPU/CPU combo, it's built tough, MILSTD durability, heat shock, humidity, high refresh display, and cooling smart enough to let you push limits. If you're chasing performance in 2025 without drowning in weight or cost, the TUF F16 is a beast that makes you feel like the future's already here. HP Victus 15. The HP Victus 15 proves that gaming power doesn't have to come with a premium price tag. With options like the Intel Core i5-12450H paired with NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3050, it delivers serious performance for esports and mid-tier AAA gaming. Its 15.6 inches Full HD, 144 Hz IPS display keeps motion crisp and fluid, no stutters in fast-paced shooters. The laptop also supports up to 16 GB DDR4 RAM and a 512 GB PCIe SSD, giving you smooth multitasking and fast load times. HP has poured thought into its cooling system, so the Victus can sustain performance under high load without throttling. Though under extreme gaming sessions, heat can still build up. The keyboard is backlit, and its I/O includes USB-C, USB-A, HDMI 2.1 and more, making it versatile for gaming setups. While battery life is modest due to its power draw, for gaming sessions it's more than acceptable. In short, the HP Victus 15 is a beast for its class, delivering strong graphics, solid display, and gaming credibility without breaking the bank. MSI Thin A15. The MSI Thin A15 is a brilliant blend of performance and portability, delivering gaming-level power in a slim chassis. Its current B7VX/B7UX lineup is equipped with AMD Ryzen 7000 series CPUs paired with NVIDIA RTX 4060/4050 GPUs for serious graphical punch. The 15.6-inch Full HD panel runs at 144 Hz, giving you buttery smooth gameplay and sharp visuals. SSD storage is PCIe Gen 4, compatible with fast read/write speeds, and it supports RAM expansion, so you can push performance even higher later. What makes the Thin A15 truly stand out is how it balances power and design. Despite the specs, it keeps a slim profile and competitive weight, making it easier to carry around than most gaming laptops. However, that same compactness means thermal limits can bite under sustained loads, and battery life won't match ultra-light work machines. If you want top-tier gaming performance in 2025 without lugging a bulky rig, the MSI Thin A15 proves that performance and portability can coexist. Just be realistic about cooling and power trade-offs. MSI Katana A15. The MSI Katana A15 AI is redefining what a mid-size gaming laptop can be. At its heart, it packs an AMD Ryzen 98945HS with an integrated NPU for AI tasks, and pairs that with an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4070-105W GPU, enough muscle to run modern AAA titles in high settings. The screen is a 15.6-inch IPS panel with a 144 Hz refresh rate, offering smooth motion and crisp visuals for fast-paced games. It supports DDR5 RAM expandable and dual M.2 SSD slots for massive storage throughput. What's truly shocking is how MSI balances this power with portability. Despite its high-performance internals, the chassis remains manageable in size and weight, though under extreme loads thermal limits can kick in. The cooling, cooler boost, and airflow design help extract performance sustainably. The I/O is modern, USB-C with DisplayPort, multiple USB-A ports, HDMI, and others allow you to hook it up to monitors, external GPUs, or peripherals with ease. In 2025, the Katana A15 AI isn't just a gaming laptop. It's a hybrid workhorse bridging AI productivity, gaming power, and future-ready architecture. If you want serious performance without sacrificing flexibility, this is a contender you can't ignore. The future of gaming laptops in 2025 is nothing short of mind-blowing. From AI-powered processors to lightning-fast GPUs, these machines are no longer just about gaming. They're becoming all-in-one powerhouses for work, creativity, and entertainment. Each model we explored proves that portability doesn't mean sacrificing performance, and innovation keeps pushing limits we once thought impossible. The question is, which of these futuristic beasts would you choose to be your next upgrade? Drop your pick in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more shocking tech reveals coming your way.